Immerse yourself in the ultimate pampering experience with the opulent Blonde Revival hair conditioner, expertly crafted to neutralize yellow undertones and enhance the natural vibrance of your blonde tresses. Enriched with a luxurious blend of rejuvenating ingredients and a captivating scent, this 200 milliliters bottle is the perfect remedy for those in search of a hair transformation. Let the decadent, velvety formula coat each strand, leaving them feeling remarkably silky, luminous, and free from any undesirable brassy hues. Say goodbye to lackluster, lifeless hair and welcome a radiant, refreshed appearance. Allow the Blonde Revival hair conditioner to elevate your hair care routine to a truly indulgent and revitalizing ritual.